Whoa, قاعد بلنجة اللي راعينه. Whoa, be careful.
Salam, kemi haderkum, kulakum na YouTube Beta Zeb. Today we have a request. A lot of people have been asking, can I cook? They'd like to see me cook African food, this, that. It's also a tradition that when a woman has a baby, within 7 days, they eat gat. So today we're gonna make gat. So let's go. So we're gonna make gat. Is that right?
Yeah, معناته بزحت سبات أب كومنت سبحتو قاعد قعتي خلو ديلكم نيركم. أنجلو معناتن سبحتو قاعد كنا قعتينا أبزت بسم الله لنا شحني and nice سجم حروج.
This is what gat is when it's in powder.
Yeah.
Porridge.
And this tea, you're gonna put some hot water in it.
Wait. I have to do it.
Okay. Go on, give me. Okay, what are you gonna do first?
First thing we need is a pan, half full with hot water. So I always boil the kettle first. That's one that I learned off of Shan. Don't just put cold water on the gas. Half full. Lid on the gas. So now we need to prepare the dish. So we need some butter in here. So we have this butter. What about the other butter?
Which one are you talking about?
This. What is this? Radiator cleaner.
No, it's from Eritrean.
This is what happens when you have African woman.
Reuse, we don't just throw things.
We don't throw bottles away.
Actually, my mom, she sent it this. Is it Asmi in Eritrea? Mama said, "Don't radiator cleaner."
The first time I saw this, I didn't know what it was.
Cleaning the radiator
cleaner.
with butter.
So which one are we going to use?
We're going to use that one. This is not ready. This one we use it when I have butter from here. I mix a little bit from this because this is biological butter, you know. It's really good one.
Okay.
Made in Eritrea.
Proper Eritrean butter. Okay, the water's on the gas. After the water's boiled, we're going to add some powder into the pan, give it a stir, make a porridge in the pan. Keep adding a bit of water.
Yeah.
Stir, water, stir.
Show them, I think it's already boiled, the water.
Here we go. How do I put this in here? Tip it in. This is the powder for gat. It's like porridge. It smells like something.
Something?
Smells like something else that we eat, but I don't know what. It's not injera, is it?
It's Weetabix. Yeah,
like
Weetabix.
Done.
Okay.
So this is the powder.
Yeah, it's the powder I قاعد نتقمليه. نجي ماي فليح له.
Water's boiled.
Yeah. Chow.
Joe.
Don't forget to put chow.
A little bit.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
How much?
So.
More?
That's alright.
Okay, bit of chow.
And then?
Now, we have too much water in here.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take a little bit out.
ماي مفلحة قرب ماي كأ نابزي كنقبرينا. Yeah.
After we add the powder, we can put it back in.
Yeah. مس قبرنا تحرج تسالس لزدليو.
That's a bit much.
That's enough. That's alright. It's me and Rory, so you don't need
okay.
don't you? Done?
Powder.
Go on. Oh,
time for
you're
the
doing
porridge.
good.
4 or 5.
Yeah, go on, I'll tell you.
Hadde, Galita, Celeste,
More, keep doing it.
Ibate, Amushte, more.
Shadishte, yeah. Shawate. That will be alright, I think, now.
Stirrer, this end. Okay.
Go on. Fast,
I don't want to.
Don't worry. Oh, go on, go on. Go on, Sbahtu, go on.
Goes quite thick.
Yeah.
I only had a bit of powder in.
Go on, before it gets like balls.
Here we go.
Here you go, go on.
Okay.
Needs energy.
Water.
Whoa, we're doing good. Sbahtu قاعد تبغى يسرح له مثل.
Sbahtu gat. Tom gat.
Wow, I swear you did it good. I can't believe this first time, but he's doing it good. Yeah. So yeah.
All in from the sides.
Yeah. Try to put it all in the middle.
Bit of water.
Yeah.
Or not.
Yeah. You need
Little
a little bit of water. Yeah. ما شعور وسخ.
Nishdemai. Nishdemai.
قرب ماي. We say little. We don't say small water, so we say
Kurub mai.
قرب ماي.
Kurub mai.
Yeah. That's alright. Now you can leave it. Put a little bit more water, and then put the lid on.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
What, and then mix it again?
No, just put the lid on.
Leave some water like that.
Yeah. You might need this.
No, it's okay.
Try to put it in the middle. قاعد تسرح لو ما عند سبهتو. What do you think about that?
I don't like it.
Why?
It's not my kind of food.
Yeah, but it's really good, you know. It's anyway, we don't eat in 7 days. We eat
Leave that like that?
every day. Yeah.
Yeah,
A
I'm
few
not
minutes.
really a gat, man. I don't like gat.
In a few minutes, like you have to mix it with this one as well. So, Sbahtu قاعد له مع نسرح له. كن رأينا how it's gonna be.
What do you think of gat?
Oh, it's really good. But I can't eat it every day because if you keep eating it, you're gonna end up like 4x4, not 8, you know.
I don't like
Your
it.
structure is gonna be like a box.
I really don't like gat, but now I've made this one for the first time, I'm gonna have to try it, aren't I?
Yeah, you have to. Leroy, can we حجي قاعد تحكي معي تدني. Look, you can do it like this.
Here we go. This is how it's done.
Wow, قلعت قاعدة لسلس بلت. عن كارد بهالدي بالله. There is not any balls. أتوقع حل أخذتها سبحت عيني.
Gat takes energy.
You are guay. No. Yeah, it needs energy. That's why after a woman after she gives birth, she don't have to do it. She needs someone who's going to do for her.
We know one girl who was called Guai, and now I'm Guai.
Yeah, you are guay now. She's not guay. Her real name is Johanna. We call her guay because she makes really good food and suwa and stuff.
What is this one?
This is also butter. That's me. مهناتو ده بفريج سلازنبرة. I تدالو وندلو, and then what we do, look, we put this like this.
Little bit.
Yes, a little bit. مهناتو نغيت حاس. You know why we put this?
Yeah, so it doesn't stick.
Exactly. You know. سمعت عينك.
All this butter. Okay, so here we go. Butter in the dish. Again.
رجعنا ملسنا حنوكسا. أبيت وحلنا متى ما أبكم أنت خطح قص لكم. زي أكبر قلنا ناتع يكون في الناس ما تيا. This is how you make قاعد الحراون ده خليهم كانوا زي في الطوا. كم زرع هم بيكم. كتدلوا وتخليهم مالتيو. And you don't have to be thick so much, you know. You have to be a little bit softer.
Can I say? Looking good.
Rory likes قعت. Rory فوت قعت. Perfect.
Maybe if I had gat just like this, I'd like it. But when I have the butter and the what do you put on it? Peri peri.
Try it then.
What is it that you put on it?
Yeah, peri peri and.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I think you need to try it.
Let's
There
see.
you go.
Gat.
بزيت أسمن بزيت رقون. Without butter. And,
Dry. But the taste isn't too bad.
yeah, because it's sodium.
What I don't like about gat is the cream and the butter and the peri peri. This isn't too bad, but it's just dry.
Try is not done.
Needs better taste. What we're doing now?
We're gonna put it in the.
In this bowl.
Yeah.
Hedgie.
But,
Okay.
Oh, do you want to do it?
Yeah.
And then
Shall I do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So first of all, what do I need to do first?
Just as it is, put it here. Come on, fast. Sbahtu, make it off the gas now. Oh, here you go. You can't twist it. You can't twist it. Go on. Jesus Christ. Oh, no, not yet.
Yeah.
Yay, finally.
There we go.
Whoa, قعدت بلنجة اللي راعيني. Whoa, be careful. That's enough now. Thank you.
Tom.
You can film now. Okay, finish. You look like this.
Yeah.
And then, like this. You are a little bit late, but it's alright.
I'm not. It's fine. Oh, more butter.
This is my Sbahtu's gabara ga'ata there.
Hole in the middle.
Yeah. And then you put this because it doesn't stick. It helps you to make the hole.
Looks good, doesn't it? It's a shame I don't like it.
Yeah, and your dad loves it.
Looks good.
You do it like this.
Well,
And then you put
a
butter.
bit more.
Yeah. إذا تريوا زلهم قعد أنا نرور نترينهم بلعه. سباتو أيبلعني قعد. سباتو عدة.
1 minute. Yeah.
نقدم بلو. درجة مودة.
Oh.
Next.
What's next? What is this stuff?
الجهة بيري بيري. بربرة.
Barbera.
Yeah. انت خم بلعينا روري. انت خم بلعينا.
Let's have a look.
واو. بلعينا كتير كاس بهات عيني.
Here's our gat.
كومنت تحفوا كما يسرح هو ask them to write for you.
Yeah. Give me a rating. How's it look? If you went to an Eritrean restaurant and they served this, what would you say?
بابا أو بابلو.
This boy's getting ready for gat. He knows it's food time. Melaze. Cough my belly.
No.
Okay.
He's gonna eat.
It's time for cream.
Yeah. هراي نينا please قعدت
Okay. Nene. Okay.
روري قعدت كبلعتها وياخذ.
Time for cream.
Yeah. Rugo. Yeah, that's good. And then you put out from here and then put it around from the butter.
Second then.
Yeah.
What do you think about the gat?
This nice about the guard looks like.
Tom.
Yeah.
This is our gat.
So زي مثل قعدتنا هي سبحتو.
Alright, this boy can't wait for his gat.
Yeah, he's dying.
Okay.
أنا اللي رايكم في التنقلة.
Rating out of 10.
10. It's really tastes good.
This boy really likes it as well. Baba gat, Tom. He's no caca. He's no
Baba
caca.
Giro, thank you Baba Bello. Thank you Laura Hawaii.
Okay people, that's it. I learned how to make gat today. I hope I could teach some of you to do it as well.
Koala متع النوتة.
So here we go.
Yeah.
Here's the gat.
بطعمي طعم. أنا بحق السبل إذا حشينا نسريوا بطعم الإشتيا حجي عم ندا صالون كنكيدنا. كنبلع أنا نرور المالتي. Sbahtu is gonna have pancake.
Yeah. Maybe I could teach some people.
Yeah, Eritrean men they can't do it really, except some of them. Anyway guys, بتعمينا أنا مسكنكم لو ما عندي كم زرعكم Sbahtu كسر حلو إلكم قعدت سريح له. أنا أبكمنت حاجة فوليهم. أنا كوا بتعمل دعم فتيو
Damn Tom. Now it's going to be a problem.
Why?
I'm going to have to make gat all the time.
Oh yeah, I wish.
Maybe you're going to see a
Yeah.
restaurant one day, Sbahtu's gat.
Yeah, maybe he's gonna open قاعد restaurant. Okay guys, يعني لنا ثلاث ورك أو جزيكم حجون سبسكرايب لقبركم نحن عليهم سبسكرايب كتقبروا نزها آخركم توم سبسكرايب لقبركم كم تلومود لايك كومنت شير كتقبروا بتحتنا أنا حتىكم. خالي فيديو حساب نراخب يغني لنا بروح قدام سنبتي قبر لنا.
Thank you guys. Brooke Machette, Brooke Malti, Brooke Leiti. See you next time.